Hello guys, welcome to this video. How are you? Please watch this video thousands of times and practice. Please focus on the chart and focus on this video. I have a lot of experience and I have made thousands of trades. First test in a demo account. Today I speak about down channel. Down channel was one touch, two touch and active line. Go on video, let's go. This area, look at the chart, look at the mouse. One touch, back price, go by. One touch up, one touch selling, continue, two touch up, two touch selling. Yes, this line is active because have a two touch, floor, two touch, this area, look at the chart. And active strategy, active channel. After two touch, active channel. Yes. Next, red line, active channel. Yes. Because have a two touch. Yes. Continue. Look at the chart, look at the chart. Look at the candle. Yes, continue. Next candle. Look at the candle. Next candle. Play. Yes. This area. Three touch, active strategy. Three touch is position. Yes, open position to sell. Yes, continue. Next, local support is the best profit, and middle line is best profit. Yes, is profit. Look at the chart, look at the mouse. TP, take a profit, is middle is best profit. Yes, look at the line, black line. Continue. Look at the line and look at the candle. On the line, back price, go by, return price. Yes, continue. This candle, green candle. Yes, green candle and red candle, fed line candle, back candle, return candle. Yes, the best profit is a middle. TP is a middle. Continue. Look at the candle. Yes, take a profit. Shadow, green candle. Yes, take a profit. Is a profit. Is a good profit. Yes. Please test in a demo account. Focus on the chart. And another example. This example is down channel. One touch, back price, one touch floor, one touch floor, one touch up, two touch up, this area, this candle, red candle, green candle, two touch, back price, sell, this area, have a two touch floor. After two touch, active strategy. Active this line after two touch. Yes, this area active. And this area active. Look at the mouse. Active this line after two touch. Continue. Yes. This candle is a fed line candle. Get position, open position. Yes, continue. Please look at the chart. Next candle, next candle. Next candle. Yes. Take a profit and the next position. This fed line, green, red fed line. Red fed line is a buy position. Back price, go buy. Yes. Continue. Yes, take a profit. TP. The best TP to the next resistance, local resistance. Profit. Look at the charts. Yes, look at the mouse. One touch, two touch, after two touch, active line. Three touch, have a position. Three touch, get position. Next example, look at the chart. Please look at the chart. One touch, selling, one touch, floor. Yes, one touch floor. Look at the mouse. Active two touch. Next touch is position. Yes, back price, this area two touch, this area have a two touch, back price, this area two touch selling, two touch up. Yes, after two touch, active strategy. This line active this line after two touch. Yes, continue. And downline is active because have a two touch. Continue. Please look at the candle. Yes. This candle have a two fed line. Look at the red candle, have a two fed line. Yes, big candle, full candle, green candle, return candle, back price. Continue. The best profit is a local resistance. Yes, take a profit. The good profit. Yes, this candle is a return candle because big, red and full. Continue. Get position. Continue. Yes, take a profit. Get the best position. Yes, this channel is very good. Thank you for watching this video, this great video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Please watch this video thousands of times and practice. Please write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.